Before the missile flies, before the world takes notice, the metal must first be born in fire. From liquid to solid, from chaos to order, the foundation of precision begins. Tested, verified, certified. Only perfection proceeds to the secure chain. Titanium, forged under 4,000 tons, dense, strong, ready for the crucible of flight. Carbon fiber, wound with mathematical precision, lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel. Raw materials, certified and secured. Phase 1 complete. The journey to the facility begins.
Convoy ready for departure.
Steel, titanium, composite. Now cargo, now classified, now convoy.
Clear to depart.
The threshold crossed from secure facility to open road, but never unguarded.
Convoy 47, all clear, no threats.
By road, by air, by constant watch. Every kilometer secured, every moment monitored. Checkpoint, slow your vehicle.
Slowing now.
Documents and IDs through the window.
Scan complete, you're cleared.
Hidden in mountains, guarded by eyes both seen and unseen. The final approach. The mountain keeps secrets. Inside, the future of defense takes shape. Raw materials received, journey complete. Phase 2 finished. Inside the mountain, the work begins. The mountain is not just location. It is armor, it is cover, it is classification given form. The mountain is not just location. It is armor, it is cover, it is classification given form. Vehicle 1 clear. Every vehicle, every package, every atom inspected, verified, cleared. Your palm, your eye, your face, 3 proofs you belong. 1 mistake and you never enter. The spine of the facility, every step monitored, every meter secured, every breath filtered.
Observation post 3, all normal.
From above, it looks like controlled chaos. From within, it is precision personified.
The gallery overlooks, the floor produces. Phase 3 complete.
The metal now meets its destiny. Fire and force, the ancient partnership that shapes metal for modern destruction. (1250°), steel softens, grain refines, strength awaits pressure. (6,000 tons, enough to reshape steel like clay, enough to forge the future. From billet to motor casing, 90 seconds of pressure, years of reliability. Quenched in oil, hardened for flight. Thermal shock builds molecular strength. The casing cools rapidly, its structure locking in place.
Quench complete, hardness is...
Forged, quenched, staged. Phase 4 complete. Precision machining awaits. The assembly bay, where forged components become integrated stages, where parts become whole.
Down, down, easy.
Vertical within a hair's breadth, centered within a millimeter, the foundation of accuracy. 450 foot-pounds each bolt, each joint, each guarantee of controlled thrust. Composite and metal, adhesive and heat, inner stage born, stages soon to unite. Control, Worker 46, Phase 4 forging and jig, installing rings now.
Copy, Worker 40, proceed with precision.
The nose, soon to house the brain, soon to guide the fire, soon to find the target. First stage complete, structure, strength, readiness. Phase 5 finished, systems next. The clean room, where dust is enemy, where static is threat, where missile gains its mind. Inertial navigation, knowing position without GPS, without signals, without error. FCC nominal. The brain, millions of calculations per second, guiding fire with mathematical certainty. Hundreds of wires, thousands of signals. The nervous system connecting brain to body. Avionics bay complete. Modules mounted, wires connected, systems ready. The missile now has a mind. Systems integrated, brain installed, nerves connected. Phase 6 finished. Precision welding awaits.
The robotics bay, where machines weld with precision.
Program saved.
Human teaches, machine learns. Every millimeter, every parameter, every weld memorized. 360 degrees, one continuous weld. Strength without weakness, joint without gap. Machine inspects machine. Lasers measure what eyes cannot. Data proves what hands trust.
Both cells tracking nominal. 2 arms, 1 purpose, perfect coordination. Machines working as one, welding as none. Welding complete, moving to finishing.
Robots welded, machines inspected, joints perfected. Phase 7 finished. The finish line awaits. The finishing bay, where bare metal becomes protected, where raw becomes ready for the extremes of flight. Clean to the molecular level, only then does protection bond, only then does survival begin. Masked, protected, defined. What won't be coded must be perfect without. Ablative coating. The shield that burns so the metal doesn't, that sacrifices so the missile survives. Stage 1 coating complete, entering cure. Coated, cured, protected. Phase 8 finished. The ultimate test awaits. The testing bay, where theory meets reality, where every system faces judgment before flight. Vibrations that mimic launch, frequencies that stress every joint, the missile must dance without breaking.
Sweep complete, all channels nominal, resonance peaks within spec.
Vacuum and cold, then vacuum and heat, the space environment, simulated, survived, proven.
Hold at limit.
Forces that would destroy lesser structures, this missile bends but never breaks.
Release. Full systems nominal, all checks passed.
Brain tested, senses verified, voice confirmed, the missile is alive and ready for mission.
Stage 1 approaching Stage 2, alignment nominal.
The final assembly. Stages unite, payload joins, the complete weapon system takes form. 20 meters of precision, 3 stages of power, 1 mission of purpose. The weapon system complete. One last look, one final signature. Years of work, now ready to fly.
Batch 47S, accepted, ready for deployment.
Sealed, secured, tracked. The missile now becomes cargo, becomes classified, becomes deployed. In vaults beneath the mountain, guarded by steel and vigilance, the weapons wait. And this is how modern defense factories build advanced systems from start to finish. Subscribe for more real industrial breakdowns.